Hey friends, if you encounter the error USB device not recognized in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. So right click on the start button and select shutdown and sign out and then select restart. Now I'll explain what this error means at the first place. Basically a lot of external peripherals like printers, cameras, scanners and even SSD drives, they try to push in their own drivers to the system or at least create a conflict with the existing drivers in the system. So we will try to get rid of this. Now restarting the computer can help like in 40 to 50% of the cases. Then the next solution is to disconnect other USB drives. For example, if you are connecting two external hard drives or two SSD drives or two similar drives, even a scanner and a camera, then their drivers may start pushing at the same time and thus causing confusion in the system. So connect other USB peripherals and connect one at a time to isolate the case. After this, you can try that device on a different system. Maybe there could be an issue with the device itself, that its drivers were problematic from the very beginning. The next solution is to scan for hardware changes, and this will solve a lot of problem. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Click on action. Okay, select something, click on action and select scan for hardware changes. Click on USB serial bus controller and scan for hardware changes. Okay. If this doesn't help, then the last solution is to expand universal serial bus controllers. Right click on root hub, select properties, power management and make sure that this is unchecked. Click on OK. I always keep these unchecked on my system. Power management, uncheck this checkbox. Click on OK and do it for all the USB root hubs. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.